this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 93 Chevy K1500 short box. It goes down the road nice, got 185 on it for miles. So the sun's just going down here in South Dakota today. We're cruising about 60. Just set the cruise and it works. Nice driving truck, nice and airtight. Silverado package, power windows, locks, screws, tilt. Does got an aftermarket stereo in it. Show you the brakes and then go through the shifts. Overdrive tranny in it. I actually drive a 92, so I'm pretty familiar with these trucks. My brother has multiple ones of these. His are all short box regular cabs, so they're good, dependable trucks. Still pretty affordable compared to like some square body stuff. Brakes work good. Sun blind you right there. First to second. Second to third. And overdrive. So runs, drives good. Everything mechanically seems really strong on it. So any questions? 605-695-7391.